We have a very strong storm system moving our way, unfortunately, just in time for the weekend. Tomorrow, the big story across the plains will be the potential for severe weather. We could see large hail, and we cannot rule out tornadoes. Saturday, that will be the day where we'll see the heaviest rain and the heaviest snow. Saturday looking to be one of the worst days with this system moving overhead. Sunday, we're going to keep the rain and snow around, but it should at least be a bit lighter than what we're expecting on Saturday. The big question is, how much snow are we going to get? Before I show you your snow tracker, this comes with a bit of a disclaimer. This is from Friday night into your Monday. So for that entire period of time, this is how much snow we could end up with. I do think, however, the bulk of this accumulation will fall throughout the day on Saturday. Snow tracker is showing there is the potential for 12 to 24 inches at this point for pockets along the Palmer Divide. Most along the Palmer Divide, though, getting about 8 to 15 inches. That goes for Teller County as well, but around Teller County cannot rule out a few pockets where we get 1 to 2 feet. Colorado Springs proper, 3 to 7 inches of snow will be possible, 1 to 3 for southeastern corners of El Paso County. Keep in mind as well, there will be some initial melting, which means what actually falls out of the sky and what you're able to measure in your front yard could potentially be two completely different numbers. Snow tracker also showing about a trace to 2 inches around Pueblo, 12 to 18 for the wets and Sangres, 2 to 6 inches of snow for the southern I-25 corridor. Out across the plains, I don't expect much in the way of accumulation because out across the plains, I expect to see more rain than anything else. If you are spending the weekend in the high country, ski conditions should be pretty nice. 6 to 18 inches of snow for some of the ski resorts, with northern portions of the Front Range also under the gun for about 1 to 2 and even up to 3 feet in some cases. Skycast showing that starting off tomorrow morning, we'll see a mixture of clouds and sun across southern Colorado. Snow will begin ramping up across the high country, and we'll see the clouds thickening up around the Pikes Peak region by lunchtime. Taking you into tomorrow afternoon, we'll start to see showers and thunderstorms popping up around the Denver area and out across the plains. Watch these storms across the plains in particular. As they move off toward the east, they're going to intensify. That's going to be one of the bands of severe weather that we could potentially be dealing with tomorrow afternoon, so we'll have to keep a very close eye on that. Heading into late tomorrow evening, could see a few strong thunderstorms also along the Palmer Divide. This is a look at 7 o'clock. Beyond 7 o'clock, we'll start to see colder air moving in. That's going to allow that rain to snow transition by late tomorrow evening around the Pikes Peak region first. Then overnight tomorrow night and into your Saturday morning, I expect to see the showers expand in coverage and intensity. Very heavy snow between Colorado Springs and Denver by 6 o'clock Saturday morning. And we'll keep these showers going all the way through the day on Saturday. Notice rain across the plains, but snow for most along the I-25 corridor up near Denver. Again, Saturday looking to be the day where I expect to see some of the heaviest snow and the heaviest rain. To keep you ahead of the storm, we're not only going to be tracking it all weekend long, but we're also tracking it on your smartphone. Be sure to download Storm Tracker 13 weather app on your iPhone and your Android. Just one more way we're keeping you ahead of the storm. Checking out your 7-day forecast, temperatures this weekend are going to be much colder. We're only getting into the upper 30s Saturday, Sunday. 40s are back Monday. Our storm system moves out of here, and by Wednesday, Thursday, temperatures are expected to get back into the 60s. In Pueblo tomorrow, 70 degrees, 49 on Saturday, 48 on Sunday. Looks to be primarily a rain event around Pueblo with drier weather as we take you into your Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Canyon City, 67 degrees tomorrow, mid-40s for Canyon City Saturday into Sunday. Could see a few snowflakes mixed in through the weekend around Fremont County, but more than anything, we'll see rain for the Canyon City and Fremont County area. Teller County, a different story, as I mentioned. Not out of the question to see more than a foot of snow for some. I think that'll be pretty easy to do considering how much water the system is bringing along with it. Saturday travel is expected to be impacted. I've had several people ask me about their flights on Saturday. It could be a difficult go, not only to get to the airport, but I have a feeling with the amount of snow and the amount of showers and even thunderstorms that we're expecting to see this weekend, probably looking at delays.
Local airport or Denver airport?
Both.
Okay.
So keep your eye on your flight status. Check it before you leave the house, because I don't want to say that there will be cancellations, but it's very possible that there could be. And so I want you to be aware of that and plan accordingly.
Good call.
Well, and a helpful site for that, too, can be DIA.com, because last time I had issues with my flight during the last storm. So if you check there, it's really helpful. So definitely keep that in mind if you're traveling.
Great tip.
You don't want to get stuck up there.
No, not at all.
All right, Rachel, thanks for the update. Well, the National Park Service is celebrating its 100th birthday by offering free admission for a week. The deal includes Colorado's 4 national parks, as well as its national monuments. It's part of National Park Week, which runs Saturday through the 24th. Many parks will also offer a variety of special activities just for the celebration.
Pueblo chili lovers, you can soon get your hands, well, you can't get your hands on them quite yet, but you'll be able to smell them soon. Now, Pueblo farmers are already planting them. The chilies are a big part of the Pueblo community. The Chili Fest is set for September 23rd through the 25th. The chamber president says they're part of more than a